Hello guys and welcome to another thing today. We're back in pixilart, drawing something you might not expect. A fidget. So if you don't know what a fidget is, well, you should. Just search it up, F-I-D-G-E-T, and you'll find there's so many fidgets, and you can buy one anyway on the internet for a couple P, which is actually cheap. I got Among Us one for like a little bit of money, and it was insane how good it is, how good quality it is in shape. It's literally insane. So, if you do enjoy this video, please subscribe. So it is editing date, even though not the best quality. You never know what could happen if you just watch the video and see. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna make this a regular squarish. No, we don't want a yellow. No. That one. No, why is it white? It's not supposed to be white. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, we need to find the right shape we want for it. So now it could be. Why does it keep changing? There we go. No! It's not supposed to be white. It's supposed to be black. It's supposed to be black. It's not. No. Okay, there we go. It should be. I'm literally going to be annoyed. No, this one. This thing. This colour. Finally. Okay, so this is going to be the fidget shape. You need to kind of make all these circles. These are going to... Okay, so I think I'll come back when I have the circles complete. So I've done a bit of it, and here it is. It takes so long to do, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. So we go here. Get like... they don't have to be fully all the same, but they're generally all the same size. So if you think about it, it is really hard to get them the right size you need. So here is a whole row being made. We don't have a lot to go now, but it's nearly done, so I'm just going to show you the rest of it. So about like 2 more rows, I think. Okay, no, that's a too small one. Everyone will notice that one. But I really hope you like my actual one on pixilart. It really does look cute. If you don't say it is cute, what would you say is cute? Because if that's not cute, what is cute for you? I'm really interested by that. Like, why would you not say that is cute? Well, hopefully everyone here is saying it is cute, because it seriously is adorbs. I think I'll have to chop up a bit here. Okay, let's make a line. Choppity chop chop. Choppity chop. Now let's erase. Get the eraser up high. Get the eraser to rub it all out. Okay, there we go. Now we got to just do this. Wait, not lines probably make it easier. There we go. So now let's fill in the colour of it. I think a blue will look nice. So now we'll need to change the colour. Like a different... Oh, okay. Perfect. Damn it. Let's go. Oh, that looks so good. It's not the best, but it's decent. Let's put down a sign saying... No. Oh my god, this looks so bad. I'm a bit. And there we go. Fidgets here. Oh my goodness, that's the worst drawing I've ever done. Well, let's fill in the background. But there we go, it's done. So if you did enjoy the video, please subscribe. So it's everything with days, no, not best quality. You never know what could happen if you just watch and see. This is my third video of today, and I have a lot more coming. So I really just enjoy the video in general, and peace.